youth in Nazi Germany. So Hitler believed that a good Nazi society could be developed only with good ideologically known people. So for that it is necessary to make a strong society, to establish a strong society, they must have a control over the child, both inside and outside the school. So from the early beginning of their life onwards, the child should get the knowledge about the Nazi and its ideology. So before that, they started to clean and purify the school. So it started with the beginning of the racial discrimination, even the school and their activities, especially the teachers those who were Jews were expelled and dismissed from their profession, and the students, especially the Jews, were taken into the gas chambers, and the physically challenged people also taken into the gas chambers. So the undesirable children were taken into the gas chambers. So that was a separation that made in between the desirables and undesirables. So the good German children were taken in the process of Nazi schooling. So what is the specialty of the schooling? Especially the textbooks were rewritten. That means the historical changes that also reflected in the textbook, and the hate of Jews is well established in the textbook, and worship Hitler was mainly focused in this textbook. So from the beginning of a child in its life onwards, when the schools were started to make as a unit of developing a Nazi society with their ideology. Discuss about youth organizations. So first of all, Young Walk, a group had a Nazi youth group for children below the age of 14. So an organization that started to make and promote the ideology of Nazism to the students and the children, especially from the beginning of their life through the Young Walk. Then comes the Hitler Youth, another important organization. All boys had to join Nazi youth organization, that is Hitler Youth, and it is mainly teaching how to learn to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, and it also promote all these activities, and it also condemn the democracy and hate undesirables, especially the Jews. In the age of 18, there was a system that is the labor service. It is a compulsory government service that the people has to done. So this is also part of their entry into the armed force and so on. So the service before the service into armed force, they have to complete a period of time as a labor service. So this was a system that prevailed as an organization in the country. Cult of motherhood. Here we discuss how they approach the women, especially the girls are considered to be good mothers. In the words of Hitler, it is said that in a state, the mother is the most important citizen. So what is their duty? They have to be pure-blooded Aryan and maintained for better children. Teach the children the Nazi values. That is the duty of a mother. Those who produce racially desirable children were awarded. So according to the number of the children, the mothers were awarded. Especially they had given special treatment in the hospital, concessions in the shops, theater tickets and railway fares. So they need the child, but it should be a pure-blooded Aryan children. So the Aryan women who deviated from the prescribed code or conduct publicly punished. So that is also as a result of this action.